So we're going on a bit of an adventure today. Maybe you can guess what it is. We've got the fridge loaded with some beverages, and I started to sticker bomb some of the sides of it there. Kind of cool. But here's a sneak peek. Oh, a little too much. Oh, just a teaser. Oh, that's right. We have a paddleboard, it's an inflatable one on the top, and 2 borrowed kayaks. So we should be having some fun today. More to come. Paddle dropping 101. Where's young Dylan?
Got it back.
Morgie's got her paddle.
Hi.
Bon voyage. Go, Morgie, go. Fun at the lake. Oh, I see a Westie, but it's mine.
People were here when we got here, but they left.
GoPro. A little more of the same today. Should be a good day. So I'm a really big fan of things that last. One of the things I've had since I was about 14 or 15 when I was working at a drugstore is this guy here. I've replaced the band a couple of times, but I just love this watch. It's simple and it's strong. I mean, it's an old Timex.